Ladies and gentlemen, AI Daily Update News presents Tap Dancing Monkeys. Do they look like monkeys? The best text-to-video AI is now public. Yeah, Runway Gen 2, which for quite a while has been in sort of a pilot or beta and only available to some people, is now available to everybody. All you got to do is go to runwayml.com and you too can create videos from text. And we're going to give it a go. Now, I've already tried Runway and I applied for Runway Generation 2 and waited, but no such luck. But now they've made it available for everybody. So here we go. So here we are. It's very straightforward. I'm already signed up. You can upgrade to get more workspace here. There's a monthly subscription here, $35 per month if you bill it monthly, or $28 per month if you go annually, and that gives you Pro, and you get loads of credits, 2,250 credits a month, 500 gigabytes of assets, up to 15 editors, generate Gen 1 up to 15 seconds, upscale resolution, remove watermarks on Gen 1 and Gen 2. Or you can just buy credits here. 1,000 credits equals 200 seconds of generated video, and just buy as you need. So those are the choices. Apparently I've got 37 seconds left. So you can do it from pictures or you can do it from a prompt. Let's start with a picture just to see. There's a cat here, space cat. And then we'll go cyber cat exploring space, spiraling galaxies in the background. Okay, let's see what happens here. So let's generate. Probably only get about 4 seconds initially. Now, it does take a few minutes, so cut to the future. Okay, so that looks done. That probably took about 2-3 minutes, so it didn't take too long, actually. Let's have a look, see what they've done. I've not upscaled it or anything. Let's go full, and here we go. Look, the cat is floating. Oh, I want more. That's cool. I quite like that. That's pretty impressive, really. There's my space cat. Let me know what you think. As I say, only 4 seconds, but we are at the early stages of text to video prompting. And if you see the progression, as I've always said, and I always quote, but it's worth noting, you see the progression that Midjourney has taken in the space of about 12 months, then you can see where we're going to be going with text to video, and you're going to be able to make short little videos just by text prompting, and it's quite extraordinary. Okay, let's see how it handles people, because we know that's always a bit janky. So how about a soccer crowd cheering when a team scores a goal? Yeah, how about that? Let's generate. Now, so what you can do is to say you can interpolate, which is just going to smooth out those frames for you. So let's tick that one there, little survey there, or upscale. I'm not going to do that now. And obviously you can remove the watermark as well, but let's just go with this for the moment. Let's generate. Again, I'm going to time lapse to the future. Okay, so again, that probably took a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And here we go. One thing to note is I notice here you've got down here this little clock thing. Now, at the moment, it says Gen 2 currently creates 4 seconds of video. What that suggests to me is the very fact they've got there is that later on, you will get more seconds. But obviously, the amount of server space required in order to kind of, meet people's needs and give everybody a chance to kind of have a go at this video generation, it's going to be a while before we get to sort of beyond the 4 seconds or longer times. But here we go. Here's a crowd. Now, obviously, some of the faces look a bit janky, but we get that. Often you get that with some existing text-to-image generators that are out there. Aren't much better than this, to be honest. Not Midjourney, of course, which is extraordinary. But anyway, let's have a go. Here they are. They've scored a goal. Yes, look at beautiful slow motion. Look at that. Only 4 seconds, but I'd say that's not bad, really. Arms in the air. Obviously, janky faces. I get it. But as I said, this is only going to improve. where it's going. And in 12 months' time, if it's anything like the way that Midjourney has progressed, the quality of this is amazing. And you can create, there is both fun in this and obviously the danger, because look, I've created something that doesn't exist. It's not been recorded. It's not stock footage. It's not been filmed. It doesn't exist. Except I've just created it via a text prompt. Okay, and let's just see them cheering. Yeah. Unbelievable, yes. I like the way it's in slow-mo as well. It just kind of gives it that kind of nice effect. But there we go. Okay, so this is just from the picture that I gave, which is a bit weird because this is sort of a cyborg picture that I uploaded, but we'll see. And what of it? Oh, I still had the, oh, foolish. Look, I still had the crowd cheering. Look. And it's taken on some of the textures from this image. My bad. Let's do it again without the text prompt. But it's interesting because it's taken some of the color tones from this image that I've used and then just put it in this cheering. So you actually got to put in a text prompt there. So let's get rid of that. Let's do something else. Let's do something a bit funny. How about a tap dancing troupe of monkeys in top hats? Of course. Why not? Generate. You know you're only going to get intellectual highbrow quality on this show. Yes. Tap dancing troupe of monkeys in top hats. Okay, here we go for this intellectual property. Tap dancing monkeys, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, AI Daily Update News presents tap dancing monkeys. Do they look like monkeys? Everything seems to be in slow motion. Which is fine, I guess. But there we go. Tap dancing, 4 seconds of tap dancing monkeys, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Let's do one, because it's slow motion and, you know, detail is a bit of an issue. Let's do something a bit more ephemeral, if that's such a thing. Okay, this time we've gone for chain reaction explosion. I just think that kind of, the colors of the explosion hopefully will be interesting. Anyway, time lapse to the future. Okay, here we are. So now we've got a chain reaction explosion. Let's have a look. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. That's kind of nice there. I quite like that. And I think currently the text to video prompting works well with stuff like this, slightly ephemeral patterns generating and stuff like that. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, look, there's still a long way to go. It would be great to be able to generate videos which are longer and stuff like that. And some of the image generation needs some work, especially humans, but that's always a problem with these image generator kind of things. As I said, I think Midjourney has absolutely cracked it, but the journey and the speed at which these AI tools are kind of developing and improving, and especially with this going public, it's only going to provide more feedback and hopefully feed into that improvement and make Gen 2 or even Gen 3, Gen 4. It'd be interesting to see where we get with the text to video generation, if it's on the same path that we've seen with text to image generation. Anyway, it's free to have a go and it's open to the public. So no need to be on a waiting list or anything like that. Why don't you give it a go, see what you can generate and let me know down in the comments. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes because I like it. YouTube likes it and it helps people like you find amazing content like this. Yeah. And if you are new to my channel, then do me the great honor. Please hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, and that way you'll know when we go live with content just like this. And if you want more content like this, why don't you check out the videos over here? More AI related videos right here. Thanks for your time.